Hey guys, it's Dawnnie. This is what I really look like most of the time. I'm here for a hot tip about YouTube, okay? I'm overwhelmed right now. I'm trying to hone in on getting my 8,000 watch hours. I'm trying to hone in on separating my long form from my short form. I've got too many channels. Here's what you need to do, because this is what I'm doing. I totally relate. Focus on the next step. So if you're already in the YouTube class with Wendy and I, and you have decided on your niche, your next step is to figure out the name of your channel. Or if you already know what name you want, your next step is to see if that name is available. If you know both those things, your next step is to start either a new channel or to repurpose an existing channel, which I don't recommend, or start a new Gmail so that you can have your new channel completely separate from the one that you're about to start. Or you can go to your existing channel and then go to see all channels, and from that location you start a new one. If you do any of those things, you'll be so ahead of the game for our class on Monday. And if you don't know how to do those things, that's okay. I gotcha. I put my lessons in SKOOL, SKOOL, because it's easier for you to follow step by step. They're still 100% free in there. It's just going to be easier than me pointing to you to my YouTube channel and telling you which order to watch them in. So yes, please, by all means, Wendy already enrolled in it, and I don't need to teach her. She's teaching me. But she enrolled in it so she can see what's going on too. Click on the SKOOL button down there and sign up absolutely for free. Everything I put in there, even if it's not something I share in our class, is going to be absolutely free at least until February 1st, 2027, because by then we're all going to be monetized before it switches to the 8,000 hours. Okay, I'll see you in class. Dawnnie Mercado from Creator Tips with Dawnnie. If you don't know me, hi, I'm an actor just like you, and I am hell-bent on YouTube replacing my day job.